1 Go 8227 1 GB RAM, 16 GB storage, IPS screen, multi-angle view, a full touchscreen, it's got a built-in 23 themes UI display. You can change your display UI. Long press, change UI display. A radio, a built-in radio FM. It's got a FM1, FM2, FM3. You can save for 18 FM channel, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music, pairing with your phone Bluetooth. After pairing, you can share your phone music to car player by Bluetooth music. For Bluetooth call, this player version got an external microphone for Bluetooth call. Video, play video, setting, handbrake detection, you have to disable. Video, so you can play video after release your handbrake, play MTV or any music file. Video PIP, picture in picture file. APP, radio, music, video file, Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. If you want to share your phone music to car player, you have to click for the BT music icon. A file manager. This player got a 2 USB extension. One USB you can insert for the USB pen drive. Another USB slot you can connect to the USB car player, USB car driving video recorder. It's control touchscreen in your car player for recording, driving video recording. It's got a SD card, 32 gig up to 32 gig micro SD card slot. This is a driving video recorder. So will auto turn on when your car player power on. The red color shining is for a recording. Video input and video output. It's got a steering wheel control. Set up for steering wheel. Play Store, log in your Gmail to download app. Music. It's got a power output 45 times 4, 45 watts times 4, power out, 10 band equalizer, a preset channel, preset, setting, a network. It's support for the 5G Wi-Fi. Connect with your 5G hotspot. Bluetooth call and Bluetooth music. Car setting, handbrake detection. Factory setup, password 1234. Okay, you can change your boot logo or touch calibration. CAN bus setting, high spec car model, you have to set your CAN bus. Select your car model. Back car source setting. This is to switch your camera input. It's for CBBS or AHD camera. Language. System setting for factory reset. Clear all data. Float menu helper. Okay, about car engine. This is about car player. A player information 8227L. Storage 1 gig RAM, 16 gig storage. Bluetooth 4.1. CPU ARM V7 processor REV3. Android version 11. Okay, screen resolution is 1280 times 720. It's support for the multi-video direct playback. You can download the full HD video, direct play it. No need to convert. Let me show you for reverse. This is connect to convex 2D 360 bird view camera. bird view auto front cam. GPS navigation. Okay, square icon for split screen function. Split screen, left right screen. Screen off, radio keep on. So press anyway to turn it on. Okay, for the theme UI, you got a 23 theme. You can change, you can select for the 23 up to 23 display UI. Okay, let me show you for the inner. So this is a APP display. You got a 7 display APP UI. So you have to go to the full menu, long press again. It will show you for the APP 04, 05, 06 up to 7. Different APP. Okay, Android player, slim body. It's got a 16-pin power socket, RCA set, RCA input with the mic, external mic input. This is AHD camera input, AHD and non-AHD also support, and a 2 USB slot. This is a radio antenna input. Slim body. Video by Andy from One Piece. Our shop location in Seri, Kembangan, Balakong.